It's Karisama everyone. So I came back from work and this is my face fully makeup and I need to take off my makeup everyone. So I'm using this, actually malapit na siya maubos, this aloe vera soothing and moisture aloe vera cleansing tissue from Nature Republic. Ito yung ginagamit ko pang tanggal ng makeup ko everyone. Actually from have makeup to no makeup. As you can see, okay, hindi ang dumi, that is makeup. Get unready with me. So I'm wearing a heavy makeup everyone, so you can see my face, no makeup on, no false lashes on. So I'm using 1, 2, so this is my face, no makeup on. And good night everyone, and thank you so much always for viewing. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Actually today, napaka-busy namin today everyone. And thank you so much to all my friends who's on that night. Maraming salamat. Actually hindi ko sa friends dito sa YouTube. But I'm so happy today dahil we have a new customers and we are busy today. So yeah, a little bit tired but it's okay. I'm fine. I'm so happy dahil we are busy. So I'm using almost 1, 2, 3 or 4 face wipe every night before I wash my face. And this is my nighttime routine everyone. So thank you so much, and I'm using, and this is my favorite one, facial cleansing tissue. And good night and kisses everyone.